In this FL Studio 20 trap beat video, I'm gonna show you how to make a beat in a way that it doesn't get boring, and also make sure that it has transition. So make sure you watch to the very end, because I'm gonna show you the same techniques I use to make paying artists happy and give them exactly what they want. So watch this video, because it's gonna have a lot of good information for you. My bad. So I haven't even been talking to this whole thing. So this is where the magic happens in terms of your turnarounds. You want to make sure that your snares and your kicks always change up on the second bar and then the fourth bar towards the end. That way you can have that that break in monotony. And the way you do it is you pull it out in the playlist like this, and then, like, say for instance for the clap, you just click make unique, and then on this time around, That's one, and then for this one you can do just changing all like the fourth bars in all of them. Not all of them, but just, you know, I'm just showing you the process. So all those things added together are gonna give the drums that turnaround, and you can also do the same concept with your melodies. I'm not gonna do it right now, but just so you know, you can also do the same concept with your melodies. From there, once you have something, you then can spread it out across the grid, and you don't have to do it that long. But then you can start your intro. You probably know. And just hear it, like take out some sections, like take out a chunk and see what it sounds like. And then bring in the clap at the end, right there. So that didn't sound right. And I would normally spice up those keys a little bit. Try to take out something drastic and noticeable. That's the word I was looking for. Noticeable. Every four bars, change up something noticeable. So this one's gonna be a little bit short, but I hope that you understood the concepts. Basically, switch up your bars, something noticeable every 4 to 8 bars. Make sure that your drums always are talking, doing something different every 4 to 8 bars. And, you know, put in your drops and everything when you're listening to the beat. And man, if you want more in depth and like courses and all that stuff, make sure you hit the website because the membership is crazy. So hope everything is good with you. Keep banging out beats, do a beat one a day, upload one a day, and you'll definitely see the difference, and you'll definitely start getting paying artists all on your stuff. All right, so when you start getting hot, just let them know who showed you. All right, it was really yourself, but you know what I'm saying. All right, peace.